Hello, welcome to this Canon service support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to check for and remove any jammed papers from inside your Canon machine. Start by opening the side door. Check at the bottom for any jammed paper and remove it carefully. Paper may also be stuck behind the fixing unit. You can remove the unit by using spots and levers that are labeled bright green or blue. Put the unit back in its place using the same levers. You can also check behind the inner cover of the side door. Push it back in its place after you're done, and then push the side door upwards to close it. If the side is clear of papers, check behind the paper drawers. First, open the drawer and remove the loaded paper. Then, tilt it up and pull. Check inside the slot and remove any jammed paper. Put the drawer back in and reload the paper after you're done. If your image runner is equipped with an external finisher, you can check it by opening its front door and upper cover. Use the green levers to help you remove the paper and close the covers after you're done. Remember to always set up the paper sources for the type and size you want to use. Use the display prompt that shows up after setting paper on the multi-purpose side tray. For setting up the drawer, press Settings and Registration, Preferences, Paper Settings again. Pick the drawer you want to use and press Set. Select the paper size and type that you have loaded in the drawer. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Canon support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and determine if any parts need to be replaced. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.